Friday recipe, I'm going to be making a Dalgona coffee, which is currently trending online. So I'm going to show you a fun way to make it with some added protein in there. So what you're going to need for this recipe is 1 scoop of the Happy Way vanilla protein powder. You'll need 1 cup of milk of your choice. Today I'm going to be using almond milk. You'll need a few ice cubes, and you're going to need equal parts instant coffee, sugar, and warm water. Now, what you need to do to make this recipe is add your instant coffee, your sugar, and your warm water into a bowl and use an electric mixer and beat it until it becomes light and fluffy. Now, once that's done, set that aside and simply mix together your protein powder and your milk. I'm just going to pop it in the blender until it's well combined. You're then going to get a glass, pop some ice cubes in there, fill it 3/4 of the way with your milk, and then spoon on top the whipped instant coffee mixture.